People's Democratic Party on Thursday brought additional 2 witnesses who gave account of what happened during the September 21st Edo governorship election. Counsel to the second respondent, who wanted to test the credibility of the witness statement, requested one of the witnesses, Mr. Uyigu Imasue from Oriedo, to sign on a plain sheet. Shortly after announcing their appearances, counsel to Senator Opegbolo Okeze Ikpeazu-San told the tribunal that they are now entrusted with 4 different schedules from the petitioners and that they have 27 witnesses in different schedules, that they do not know which list to expect. Reacting, counsel to the petitioners Ken Muzai-san said he was surprised that the witnesses' schedules were sent to the same time as they sent the list 48 hours before in some cases and at other times 24 hours. He said there are overlapping lists which they gave to the respondents well ahead of time. He said they have not done anything inappropriate, and if by any reason witness fails to turn up, the petitioners would have other witnesses to fall back on, and that they even sent a soft copies to the respondent. Okezu Ikpeazu said they, as counsel, they only received the schedules of coded names, insisting that they give the names of witnesses for the next day as they can prepare adequately. The tribunal said the respondents should look through the list sent to them so that the tribunal can go on unhindered. Mozai said if the names were coded as claims by the respondent, he wondered why the respondent could decode the names. Ukala-san said if a list is sent to counsel, they treat it as confidential and used for the purpose it's meant for. He said they are doing their best to cooperate and it was not fair for the petitionees to cast aspersion on anyone. Chairman appealed that if they give a list of witnesses, the respondents should look at them and prepare. Next witness, PW13 with the code WW1M 9PAGE 67186748, Volume 3 from Akoko Edo Local Government. A 43-year-old farmer and politician, Mr. Esegbe Victor, mounted the witness box. He told the court that he signed his witness statement at the Election Petition Tribunal in Benin on 11th October 2024, which he identified and adopted it as his evidence in the matter. The witness identified and confirmed that in paragraph 8, 9, 10 of his statement on oath, he referred to CTC of IREV forms EC8A for 28 polling units set out in the table under paragraphs 9, and also referred to agent copies of forms EC8A which he received on the day of the election. Also in paragraphs 9, 10, he identified and confirmed the CTC of forms EC8B and EC8C of his witness state, and finally in paragraphs 12, he made reference to CTC of forms EC8A for Unit 014 of Ward 9. Under cross-examination, Kanu Agabi-san told the witness that he signed forms EC8B for Ward 9. The witness said no. The witness said he didn't sign. Ogabi said since he did not sign the ward result, what proof was there that he was truly the ward agent of PDP? The witness said he has his agent tag and that he didn't sign because of wrong computation and that no other agent equally signed the results. He was asked to show the forms EC8B to the witness and that there is nothing on the face of the document to show the irregularities or protest. He asked again that from looking at the document, nobody can say that the agent participated in the election as a ward agent. The witness said no, there is nothing on the surface to show he was an agent. Respondent counsel said not a single of all the documents he identified was made by him. The witness said no. He said there are 36 polling units in the Ward 9 of Akoko Edo, and according to the witness disposition, the witness said he received the reports from all polling agents and his evidence is based on the documents he received from its agents. Asked if he received any reports from the agent, the witness said he received the reports from his polling unit agents. Asked if the reports were in oral or written form, the witness said oral. He said he did not incorporate the oral witness in his disposition. Counsel said there was no protest on the surface of the document. The witness said the election was fair at the polling unit level results because he is contesting the wrong computation of results at the ward level. On his part, Oyechi Ikpeazu said is it correct that all the polling unit level agent copies were given to them while results were uploaded to IREV at the polling unit? The witness said yes. Ikpeazu also said that it's correct that at the World Collation Center, the BVAS machine and hard copies results are given for reconciliation. He said yes. He was asked to look at Unit 001 of Ward 9 Exhibit PFA1, PFA 125, which were the IREV copies of Forms EC8A, and asked to read out the number of accredited voters. The witness said 71, and he asked him to look at the BVAS report and also confirm the number of accredited voters. He said he is not a unit agent and cannot speak to the document, but after a while he confirmed the figure. Then the counsel put it to him that the figures read 252. He was shown another IREV result of Unit 006 of Ward 9. The number of accredited votes was 116, and he was shown the BVS report for the same Unit 003, and there was 262 as against 116 on the IREV. He was also shown Unit 004 IREV, which had 107 accredited voters, whereas the BVAS was 243. Council said it is only PMB 13819, 24, 26, 32, 33, and 34 that bears INEC stamp. The others do not have INEC stamp and said the almighty IREV that they are relying on is useless. Emmanuel Okala San took turn to also cross-examine the witness. He asked the witness to take a lot at the duplicate copies and confirmed that some of them are not eligible and not all carries presiding officers. The witness said all of them are eligible, but said some of presiding officers' names are not clear on some of the exhibits. He also shown Exhibit PBA9, which is Forms EC8B, and was asked to confirm that the figure collated there are same with the CTC figures of Forms EC8A. The witness said that the figure is a wrong computation he complained about. He was shown Exhibit EPA3, Forms EC8C in Word 9, which has the same figures of Forms EC8B to EC8C, the witness affirmed. Counsel said the EC8C was signed by his agent. The witness said he saw something that looks like signature but that cannot confirm if it is a signature. Counsel said the witness did not play any part in uploading or downloading from the IREV. He said no. He said he did not handle anything with the BVAS machine. The witness also agreed. Under re-examination, the petitioner sought to tender the agent's tag, which he earlier made reference to. First respondent counsel objected to the rendering of the document. Ikpeazu said he objects to the question by the petitioners of the petitioner in the re-examination because, according to him, nobody raised the issue of tag during the cross-examination and objected to the admissibility of the documents. Ukala San also objected. The tribunal provisionally admitted the agent's card. The next witness, with code WW12, Uyiwe Imasuen, a farmer from Oreado local government area, said he signed his witness statement on 11th October 2024, recognized it and adopted. He also tendered his agent's tag. The witness confirmed that in paragraphs 10, he made references to Forms EC8A of 39 polling units. He was shown exhibits PHA29, PHA67, and confirmed that they were the CTC of Forms EC8A, which he tabulated under paragraphs 10 of his witness statement. He also confirms the CTC of Forms EC8C, which is Exhibit PA14 of Oreado local government area. Under cross-examination, counsel to INEC Kanu Agabi San said the word 1 result, Forms EC8B, should be shown to him, and the witness said he didn't sign the result, and said the witness is not the maker of any of the documents he tendered, and the witness agreed. The document was shown to the witness to confirm what evidence is there on the surface and that he was an ward agent. The witness said there is nothing to show from the face of the document that he was a ward agent, but he held his ground that he functioned as an agent. Asked if the results were collated from Forms EC8A to EC8B, the witness disagreed, saying that only INEC can provide the answer. Respondent's counsel told the witness that from EC8A, no ward agent signed the result sheet. The witness agreed and also observed that polling units of other parties also signed, including the presiding officers who also signed. He said there are altogether 72 polling units in Ward 1 of Oreado. The witness said his party fielded polling unit agents in all the units. Ukala San said in the witness statement, the witness said he received reports from the agent. The witness said no, he didn't receive reports, but he rather received result sheets. However, the witness was asked to read his statement on oath, and after reading, it was confirmed that he received reports from his unit agent and not just copies of the result sheet. He was shown from EC8A to confirm if the word BVAS was mentioned in the document. The witness said no. Oyechu Ikpeazu, on his part, It to the witness that he was not even in Benin on 11th October 2024 and did not personally sign the witness statement. The witness said he was in Benin and that his family resides in Benin, so he personally signed his statement on oath. Ekpezu's son requested for a plain sheet of paper to be given to the witness and requested that the witness sign 5 times on the plain sheet of paper, apparently to confirm if he was truly the witness that signed the disposition he tendered. The petitioner's counsel objected to the impeachment of the witness' credibility and reserved their reason to a later date. Thereafter, the cross-examination continued. Oyechi Ikpaze said collation on that day did not end with forms EC8B alone, which the witness agreed. The witness was shown Exhibit PA14 forms EC8C for Ariedo and was asked to confirm that PDP agent signed. The agent said he cannot confirm if the signature is that of PDP agent or not because there is a similar signature in the other agent columns. The witness agreed to the question that PDP had agents to the local government collation center but said that he did not sign the word results in protest. And asked if he has a written report of the protest against the results, the witness said he has not signed the result sheet is already enough to show that he protested. Asking him if he prepared the correct figure of results outside that of INEC, he said he prepared it in his own rough note. But when asked to present the rough note, the witness said he left the note with which he calculated the figures in Benin. Ukala said that paragraph 8 of his witness statement be shown the witness as asked him to read it out, where he said there was discrepancies in the computation of results. Asked if he personally obtained the documents he identified, namely EC8A, EC8B, and EC8C from INEC, the witness said no. The witness said he only have agent copies were given to him at the World Collation Center and not the CTC, and he did to handle the BVAS machine.
Just happened now. BVAS machines for 133 polling units were tendered. What INEC tendered today, they said they brought in 148 BVAS machines used for 133 polling units. Now what they did was to tender them, dump them, and then left. And now you cannot take your vehicle to a mechanic without an engine. That means you have started bringing in a carcass. And so what just happened now, they wanted to also feed in witnesses to tender those BVAS. And they said these BVAS are not marked. It ought to be marked before you can tender them. And so they now applied for an adjournment to enable them put their house in order. And so, in the wisdom of the courts, they now adjourn the matter for tomorrow again for continuation of hearing. We are happy, we are going on, and we are moving on very well.
It's been going on well. I'm here. You know, anytime I hear BVAS, I'm always around. Because you remember I accused the Obaseki that they were trying to smuggle BVAS in. So anytime I hear anything about BVAS, I normally will want to come around. So that's why I came in today to check. I think it's going on well. They don't have a case, which even people that are laymen in law are aware that they actually don't have a case. Call your witnesses, you are not getting the witnesses to call, you are trying to blame it on people. So I think their case is dead on arrival.
Machine. Goodness Oyede reporting for Afiema TV.